Hey everyone! I just finished this weekend working on my Disney Savings Challenge binder. Say that 10 times fast. And I wanted to give you a look to show you what I've done so far. So this is just a black binder from Amazon. I think I'm going to go ahead here and cover this soon with vinyl, but for now, let's see, it just has a magnetic clasp. I'm going to open it. So for this side, I think I want to get some like bookmarks or stickers to put in. Like I have like this one that I 3D printed. This is more Halloween-y, which is fine. I love Halloween at Disney. This I 3D printed. It's cute. Okay, so here is the title page, if you will, for my binder. It says Savings at Disney. So I'll take it out and I'll show you real quick what I did, because I did the same for each front of the package here, title pages. I went ahead and I laminated them with a holographic paper. I love it. Okay, so this was just the title, just Savings for Disney. We are Disney locals and we would love to be pass holders again, but it costs a lot of money, so I'm gonna try and save up little by little. This page here is what I chose for every backside page. These are not laminated in a holographic, just printed out. But I thought they were so cute. I might end up putting stickers, like random stickers, or maybe pictures of like previous Disney trips. All right, so here is the first section that we're saving for, and it's for the actual pass holder tickets. That's why I went with the pass holder magnet type design, and I did do the holographic. Tickets are about $3,000 right now for the 3 of us to go, with one person getting the photo pass. Might be a little less, but I rounded it up just in case for, you know, inflation by the time I'm done paying for it. So, and then again with this backside page, just keep it nice instead of that plain white. And then this will be where the money goes in. Okay. Then here's the next one, which was park merch. So when we're at the parks, if we see something we want to purchase, we have that money laid out already. So I budgeted $300 for the year. I don't know if it's going to be more or less. Hopefully less a few times. Maybe we can go to the outlet and, you know, sometimes they have Loungeflies for $40, ears for $7.99. Cups, I don't think I'll do cups because I can make cups myself. And again with the back side, I just thought this print was so fun. And this is where the money will go. Okay. The next one is character dining. I budgeted $250 for this. This would include 3 people plus drinks and tip. If it's a little bit more, you know, I'll save more towards it because we do love the character dining. So far, we've done Hollywood and Vine twice, maybe 3 times. And I don't really like the food because it's like but I love the experience with the characters. Christmas time is great with Goofy. And they did the holographic, and this is my favorite holographic print because it's like fireworks, like woo. All right, so that budget was $250 for that. Here's the back side, and here's where the money will go. The next one is for Disney snacks. This was also a budget of $250. This would be more for like when those special snacks come around, like, oh, you know, my daughter wants to try a Dole Whip, or my husband wants to do the Star Wars snack or something like that. Normally we bring our own snacks and food and drink into the park. So this isn't something that we would normally do, is get snacks, you know, or maybe like the Mickey ice cream bar, or, you know, something fun stuff. The beignets, I know we want to try the beignets. So I love how it looks like fireworks. And then that's where the money will go. And then another backside. And then this is it. The end. See you real soon. Hopefully that is true, that, you know, we'll see you real soon, Walt Disney World. But I feel like it'll take me a long time to save up. I'm estimating $4,000. So this is not a oh my God, let's go right now. Savings fund, this is little by little. If we get there, we live in Central Florida. We're not far away. So it's not something I feel like, you know, we'll miss out on. It's something like Disney's always going to be there. I'll take my time. We'll save. And then that year that we have the passes, we will do great things. So I hope you guys like my binder. I'm going to start working on challenges to help make the savings fun. This will be a long time coming. This is a $4,000 challenge here. So it's not 1, 2, 3. So thanks. Leave comments below. Let me know if there's anything you think I missed, something you think I should add, increase, decrease, or just let me know anything of what you think. All right. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.